Hello, my name is Sreevathsa. I'm a MyTech summer intern, and in this video, I'll be talking about my research project, analysis of high-resolution ocean general circulation models. Oceans are an integral part of our planet. Being from a small port city on the east coast of India, I was fortunate enough to learn as I grew up the importance of oceans. They cover more than 70% of Earth's surface and are responsible for more than half of world's oxygen. They have a significant role in regulating our climate and in the biogeochemical cycle of elements on Earth. Ocean currents and their circulations are key regulators of climate by storing and transporting heat, carbon compounds, nutrients, and fresh water all around the world. Hence, it is important to understand the science of oceans and model ocean flows. The North Atlantic Current, also called as NAC for short, is a powerful warm western boundary current, one of the significant pathways transporting heat to higher latitudes in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is a northward extension of the Gulf Stream off the east coast of the US and crosses the North Atlantic, moving towards the subpolar and polar Arctic region. It transports warm saline ocean water from the subtropics into the subpolar North Atlantic region. The heat transported by this current is important in the context of Western Europe's climate and its potential impact on ice melt along the coast of Greenland and in the Arctic Ocean. Without the NAC, the winters in Western Europe region can be expected to be less cold than would otherwise be expected at its latitude. Understanding the variability of NAC pathway and transports over the years helps us in getting an idea of its impact. In this project, we have been using different high-resolution numerical model outputs to examine the representation of the NAC in these models, with the goal of understanding the factors that characterize the current pathway, transport, and strength. The models are based on the NEMO modeling framework with ANA regional configuration. ANA, which stands for Arctic and Northern Hemisphere Atlantic, is a regional configuration based on the nucleus for European modeling of the ocean, in short NEMO. NEMO is a state-of-the-art modeling framework widely used for oceanographic research. Primarily, we have been working with data from the ANA 4 model configuration, which is a 1/4-degree ocean general circulation model, ANA 12 configuration, a 1/12 of a degree nest of ANA 4, and Lab 60, a very high resolution 1/60th degree subnest over the Labrador Sea derived from ANA 4. Given its very high resolution, the Lab 60 configuration is computationally expensive to run on entire North Atlantic domain, which is why it's run over a small yet important region, that is the Labrador Sea. We hope that the high-resolution Lab 60 model output over this Labrador Sea subdomain brings about quantitative improvements over other parts of the North Atlantic domain. We have been calculating volume and heat transport fluxes for different sections in the NAC pathway, for which observational data is being recorded by PICE oceanographic instruments. These transport calculations will then be used for an intercomparative analysis. Preliminary results that we have suggest a very high resolution nest for the western part of the domain, which improves the current representation downstream, even when the model resolution is reduced. The end goal of this project is to compare these model outputs with available observational data over particular sections in the North Atlantic and see if the high resolution nested model output over a small subdomain like the Labrador Sea in our case leads to a better model configuration that captures the NAC pathway transport more accurately. That's it from my end. Thank you.